Did you know over 60% of engine wear happens in the first few seconds after startup? Yeah, not on the highway, not during long road trips, but right there in your driveway every single morning. The truth is, what you do in the first 30 seconds can decide whether your engine lasts 100,000 miles or 500,000 miles. And the scary part? Most drivers are damaging their engines daily without even realizing it. In this video, we're breaking down the 11 most common startup mistakes that silently destroy your engine, and how simple habits can save you thousands. And before we jump in, if you want to keep your car running like new, hit like and subscribe. It genuinely helps more people avoid costly mistakes. Let's get into it. Mistake 11. Revving immediately after startup. Let's be honest, there's something satisfying about revving your engine right after startup. But this is one of the worst things you can do. When your engine starts, oil is still cold, it hasn't fully circulated, metal parts are barely lubricated, and when you rev, you create maximum friction at the worst possible moment. Over time, this leads to cylinder wall damage, bearing wear, and shortened engine life. Instead, just let the engine idle for about 20 to 30 seconds, especially in cold weather. It's simple, but it makes a huge difference. A mistake almost everyone makes, ignoring something right in front of them. And real quick, if you've ever revved your engine cold, be honest, drop a like and subscribe. No judgment here. Mistake 10. Ignoring warning lights. When you start your car, all those dashboard lights come on for a second. Most people, they don't even look. Big mistake. That moment is your car doing a self-check. If a light stays on, like oil pressure, battery, engine warning, that's your car asking for help. Ignoring it can mean driving with low oil pressure, which can destroy your engine in minutes. Think about that. A small habit that quietly kills your battery and stresses your engine. If you've ever ignored a dashboard light hoping it would go away, subscribe now, because this video is for you. Mistake 9. Starting with accessories on. Headlights on, AC running, music blasting. Then you start the car. Seems harmless, right? But here's what's happening. The starter motor already draws a huge load, and now you're adding more electrical demand on top of it. Over time, this causes battery wear, alternator stress, and rough starts. And rough starts means more engine wear. The fix? Turn everything off before starting. Simple habit, big impact. A tiny mistake with the key that can cost you a starter motor. If this is something you do daily, hit like. You're definitely not alone. Mistake 8. Holding the key too long. You turn the key, engine starts, but you keep holding it just a bit longer. That grinding sound? Yeah, that's damage. You're forcing the starter motor to grind against the flywheel. Over time, this leads to worn starter teeth, expensive repairs, and rough startups. The right way? Turn and release immediately once the engine fires. That's it, an old-school habit that doesn't belong in modern cars. If you've ever held the key too long, we all have, subscribe, because these small fixes add up fast. Mistake 7. Pressing the gas while starting. This comes from older cars with carburetors. Back then, it helped. Today, yeah, it actually harms your engine. When you press the gas, too much fuel enters the engine. Oil film gets washed away, and engine wear increases. In some cases, you can even flood the engine. Modern cars are smart. Let the ECU handle everything. Foot off the gas, just start the car. A daily habit that slowly destroys your engine from the inside. If someone ever told you to give it gas while starting, like this video, because now you know better. Mistake 6. Frequent short trips. Short drives seem harmless, but they're actually brutal on your engine. Why? Because your engine never fully warms up. That leads to moisture buildup, sludge formation, oil contamination. Over time, your engine wears out faster. The solution? Take longer drives occasionally, 20 to 30 minutes. Combine short trips when possible. What not to do when your car doesn't start. If your daily drives are super short, subscribe now. This might save your engine long term. Mistake 5. Repeatedly cranking the engine. Car won't start, so you try again and again and again. Bad idea. Every crank dumps fuel into cylinders, washes away oil, overheats the starter. A mechanic once said, "If it doesn't start in 3 tries, stop. Give it time. Otherwise, you're turning a small issue into a big one." A mistake almost nobody talks about, but it's very real. If you've ever panic cranked your car, like and subscribe. We've all been there. Mistake 4. Starting with steering wheel fully turned. This one surprises people. If your steering wheel is fully turned when starting, your power steering system is under maximum load, right when your engine is weakest. This causes extra strain, belt wear, and pump damage. Instead, start with wheels straight, then turn after the engine stabilizes. One of the most overlooked causes of engine wear. If this is new information for you, subscribe because these are the details that matter. Mistake 3. Using old or thin oil. Oil is your engine's lifeline, but old oil turns into a problem. It loses viscosity, gets dirty, and stops protecting properly. So during startup, metal parts grind, wear increases, engine ages faster. The fix? Change oil on time, use correct viscosity. A mistake that can damage your engine and transmission. If you want your engine to last years longer, hit like. Oil quality matters more than you think. Mistake 2. Starting in gear. Manual drivers, this one's for you. Starting the car in gear is dangerous. It can make the car jump unexpectedly, stress the starter, and damage the clutch. Always press the clutch fully. Make sure the car is in neutral. The #1 mistake that affects everything. If you drive manual, subscribe now. This could save you serious repair costs. Mistake 1. Starting with a weak battery. A weak battery doesn't just affect starting, it affects your engine health. Slow cranking means poor combustion, fuel buildup, extra stress on components. Over time, spark plugs foul, starter wears out, carbon builds up. Fix? Replace or recharge your battery early. Don't wait until it fails completely. Here's the truth. Engines don't usually fail because of one big mistake. It's the small habits, repeated every day. But the good news is, fixing these habits is easy. And if you do, you can add years to your engine's life and save thousands of dollars. Drop a comment. Which mistake surprised you the most? And if this video helped you even a little, like it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.